guys, it's me again, Danica, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will be reviewing a skincare brand na alam ko namang kilala nyo na talaga, which is the Ordinary. So I have been using their products for a year and a half now, and I thought might as well share with you kung yung mga thoughts and yung mga benefits na nakuha ko from using their product, and also yung mga parang side effects na rin upon using their products. So if you guys are interested to know what I'm about to say about this product, just continue watching this video. And kung magustuhan nyo naman to, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel para lumaki na rin yung community natin. So without further ado, let's get started. Excited about this one because I feel like ito talaga yung pinaka-effective na product nila sa lahat ng nagamit ko. This is their Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1%. This is their high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So para to sa mga blemishes or sa mga pimples, if you guys think that you have a problem with your pimples sa parang medyo uncontrollable siya, you guys can use this one because what they're claiming is it will regulate the sebum production and it minimizes pores. So, if you're on the oily side, pwede nyo itong gamitin kasi medyo nakaka-dry siya ng skin. Dahil nga, i-regulate niya yung sebum mo, which means na i-control niya yung pag-produce ng oil sa skin. So, that means less oil, less pimple. So, that's what it does. And also, kung dry yung skin mo, I would suggest to use this along with a moisturizer. Ako kasi normal to dry skin yung face ko, so I'm incorporating all of my Ordinary products with my moisturizers para lang hindi siya ganun ka-dry kasi I noticed na when I'm using this alone, yung lahat ng Ordinary products ko alone, sobrang dry nung skin ko the next day because dito sa niacinamide. But this is really effective for me kasi for some reason since last year ang dami kong tigyawat, hindi ko alam bakit. So whenever I'm using this one, napapansin ko nababawasan yung dami ng pimples ko at saka hindi siya ganun na kalala na pimples, so the point na from Mars to Earth kita mo agad yung pimple ko, ganun. So ito hindi ganong kalalaki yung pimples na meron ako, although magkakaroon pa rin ako ng pimples from time to time, pero hindi siya ganun kabongga. And this one is in 60 ml, so they have two sizes, 30 ml and 60 ml. So since ginagamit ko siya every night, might as well na bilhin ko na lang yung mas malaki para hindi ako mabilis maubusan. So this one comes in a glass bottle. So ayan siya, medyo frosted siya if you guys can see. And then it has a dropper. And yung consistency niya, hindi siya ganun kalabnaw, hindi rin siya ganun kalapot. So parang, alam niyo yung parang glue na nilagyan ng water. So ito yung consistency niya. So hindi siya ganun kalabnaw, hindi rin siya ganun kalapot. So saktong-sakto lang yung consistency niya pag i-apply niyo siya sa skin niyo. So ayan siya. So wala itong skin softener. So kung ilalagay nyo lang to as is sa skin nyo, the next day, hindi nyo mapapansin na malambot yung skin nyo kasi wala tong skin softener, unlike yung mga other moisturizers that are available in the market. Ayan, so the next product na ipapakita ko naman sa inyo is my second favorite din, which is their Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA or Hyaluronic Acid. Ang sabi nila, this targets the hyperpigmentation and dark spots, so which is really a perfect combo with the niacinamide for me dahil aside from yung niacinamide, it targets my pimples, it kind of keeps it away from happening, yung pimples ko. This one naman, kung nagkaroon ako ng pimples, ipapalighten niya yung scars or yung dark spots. And kung meron kang hyperpigmentation, mababawasan niya by using this one. So this one is in 30 ml. So wala siyang bigger size. So 30 ml lang talaga siya. And of course, ang ingredients lang niya talaga is literal na Alpha Arbutin and Hyaluronic Acid. So kagaya ng niacinamide, this one also comes in a glass bottle. So ayan siya. And a white dropper. So glass din yung dropper niya. Ayan. So glass din siya. kung mapapansin nyo, I don't know if you guys can see it sa camera, mas malinaw yung anong tawag dito? Yung liquid na nandito sa bote. Unlike sa niacinamide na medyo parang frosted siya. So this one is clear and same concentration siya. And ginagamit ko siya right after application ng niacinamide ko. And since meron akong mga dark spots after kung magkaroon ng pimples, this one really helps it lighten up. At saka ang bilis niyang ang bilis mawala nung dark spots sa face ko. Although not totally, pero sobrang nagla-light lang siya agad. Unlike kung hindi ako gagamit nito, feeling ko yung dark spots ko tatagal talaga siya ng ilang buwan. But using this one, siguro mga a few weeks lang, magla-lighten na talaga siya. That's why I'm really in love with this one. Okay, so moving on with our third product. This one is their Ascorbic Acid 8% plus Alpha Arbutin 2%. So, Ascorbic Acid, so you guys all know na ang pampalight siya ng skin or ng mga blemishes or dark spots. So, ginamitan nila or dinagdagan pa nila to ng Alpha Arbutin which has the same effect. So, Ascorbic Acid 8% plus Alpha Arbutin 2%. Ang kina-claim naman nila is it will visibly targets your hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and even tone and signs of aging. So, signs of aging, so yung mga premature wrinkles nyo, yung mga fine lines, yung mga laugh lines. So, this will also help with that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you yung bote kasi kakaiba siya. Well, not kakaiba, pero different siya from the two that I've showed you. So, this one is the brown one. So, para siyang gamot kung makikita nyo in person. And also, meron na rin siyang dropper na glass. So, ito, glass din siya. And then yung dropper, glass din. The reason for this dark brown container or glass is because ang sabi nila, yung ascorbic acid, it has to be stored sa lalagyan na hindi siya madaling mapapenetrate ng sunlight. For some reason, I don't know what's gonna happen sa ascorbic acid, pero that's what I've heard and that's what I've just read about an ascorbic acid. So, kaya siya nasa dark na bote. So, same ng concentration, hindi siya ganon kalabnaw, hindi rin siya ganon kalapot. And also feels nice din sa balat. Pero again, this doesn't have a skin softener. So, it won't make your skin soft the next day upon using it. So, you have to use this one along with your other skincare products din para malambot or supple yung feeling ng face nyo the next day. And also, this one doesn't have a smell. Pati rin yung dalawa, wala talaga siyang smell. So, para sa mga iba na sensitive sa smell, you guys don't have to worry about it because their products are all scent-free. And last box, meron siyang 3 products dito sa loob. This one is their daily set. So, ito yung box niya. Meron siyang 3 items or 3 products inside. This one is their Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. So, this one, ang sabi, is for hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. Hindi na yata ako marunong magbasa. So, ang sabi niya dito ay para siya sa mga dry yung face. So, para siyang moisturizer pero hindi siya mukhang moisturizer. So, parang i-hydrate niya lang talaga yung face mo. So, if you have dry skin, use a hyaluronic acid. So, ito, sticky siya. Like, ayan o, hindi nagmo-move. Hindi siya nagmo-move. Sobrang sticky niya dahil siguro para nga siya sa dry skin. So, kailangan thick yung consistency niya para ma-hydrate talaga yung skin nyo. So, ito yung feel niya. Madulas siya kapag i-glide sa skin. So, sa lahat ng mga products na pinakita ko sa inyo so far, ito yung feeling ko na medyo magbibigay sa inyo ng konti na pagkalambot sa face nyo the next day. Pero still, use this one with your regular moisturizers para, syempre, mas ma-achieve nyo yung talagang moisturized skin at saka yung pagiging suppleness ng skin nyo the next day. So, moving on to our last 2 products. This one is their Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA or Hyaluronic Acid. So, again, this one is kind of like moisturizer. So after serums, you can put this one directly in your face. You don't have to wash it off kasi hindi to facial cleanser. I thought at first facial cleanser siya, but it's not. So ang formula niya is, let me just show you. So white lang siya and wala siyang amoy as usual. And this one is, I would say, malambot siya sa face. Kasi ginamit ko siya one time. Hydrating din siya. So, para siyang moisturizer lang, pero murang moisturizer. This one is only about $5 lang yata. So, para lang siyang 150 pesos siguro sa Philippines or mga 200 pesos. And, gano'n to kadami? 30 ml. So, ang dami ng use nito. I mean, tatagal siya for maybe about 2 months. Maybe kung araw-araw nyo siya ginagamit. Ayan, so last product natin. This one is their, hindi ko alam kung paano ito bigkasin. Sorry na. Squalane? Pota, ano to? Squalane. Pota. Squalane. Hindi ko alam. Parang weird. O sige, Squalane Cleanser. Sorry na kung hindi ko alam paano ito bigkasin. Pero ang spelling niya is Squalane. So, lalagay ko na lang siya dito kasi hindi ko alam kung paano siya bigkasin. This is their facial cleanser and makeup remover. So, I haven't used this one but I'm really excited about this. Kasi pants lang talaga yung ginagamit ko as a facial wash. Kasi tinitigawat ako kapag iba yung ginagamit ko talaga as in. So, medyo takot akong gamitin to kasi baka mamaya tadtadin ako ng tigyawat. Kasi tinitigawat na ako, diba? Palagi. So, medyo I'm skeptic to use this one. Not because hindi siya effective sa akin, but talagang medyo takot lang akong gumamit ng ibang facial cleanser. But let's see kung okay, wala siyang amoy as usual. And para siyang kagaya nung isa na pinakita ko sa inyo, yung moisturizer. And yung feel niya parang lotion. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede ba tong hindi siguro to bubula. Kasi para siyang lotion lang. And ang sabi dito, makeup remover daw. So, I'm gonna try this one later kung talagang nakakatanggal siya ng makeup. But from what I'm feeling right now is sticky siya and wala siyang amoy. So, I'm gonna try this one kung talagang makakatanggal siya ng makeup later. And I'm gonna let you guys know sa Instagram ko na lang, okay? But so far, so good. Mukha namang effective siya. Tignan natin kung makakatanggal nga talaga siya ng makeup. But yun yung kiniklaim niya na ang sabi is it's a makeup remover and facial cleanser. Yeah, just rub it to your hands, warm up the product, allowing it to melt. Oh, okay. So, hindi talaga siya gagamitan ng tubig. So, may makeup ka, ilalagay mo siya sa face mo, and it will melt away your product, yung makeup mo and yung oil. So, after this one, syempre, you still have to use another facial wash para to rinse off yung mga gunk na naalis ng product na to. So, this one is in 50 ml. Oh, okay. And meron siyang 2 sizes, 50 ml and 150 ml. So, ito muna yung binili ko. I'm not sure if this is gonna work for me. This is only, I think, also $5 lang. So, again, 200 pesos lang. So, diba, mura na siya. And kung naghahanap ka ng murang makeup remover, try this one out. Ayan, so I'm done with the review. And if you're going to ask me kung ano yung favorite ko sa mga pinakita ko sa inyo, I would say 2 products pala. They're niacinamide and their Alpha Arbutin. Niacinamide dahil it lessens my pimples at saka hindi ganun kalala yung pimples ko pag ginagamit ko to. And also, pag nagkaka-pimple naman ako, and syempre, meron siyang dark spots and yung, hyperpigmentation, this Alpha Arbutin, talagang na-address niya yung issue ko na yun. Although, hindi naman ganun nakabigla yung or drastic yung pagbabago in a few days, but you can really see the difference by continued using. So, sa lahat naman ng skincare products, hindi naman siya agad-agad maging effective. You just have to stick with it. Ang sabi nga nila, diba, dapat minimum of 6 months para makita yung effects ng skincare. So, I would suggest na if you guys are gonna try their product, stick to it. Huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa Alam niyo yun? Parang, oh, ginagamit ko na siya ng 1 week, hindi pa rin siya gumagana. That's not how skincare works. Kailangan masanay siya. Masanay yung skin nyo when using any skincare brands or products talaga. So, 6 months, give it a try. If you guys don't see anything different, then just throw it out of the bin. But I would just say now, Ordinary is one of the best products that I've tried na mura na, but super effective talaga. So, if you guys are interested or parang hindi pa kayo sure kung bibilhin niyo ba to or not, I would say you're going to miss half of your life kapag hindi niyo to trinay. Dahil sobrang mura lang naman niya. And kung hindi siya effective sa inyo, then that's fine. Kasi hindi nga siya ganoon kamahal, diba? So, hindi naman siya ganun kawalan, di ba? I would say. Although, syempre, sa iba na parang 200 pesos or 300 pesos is still a lot of money. But what I'm just pointing out is hindi siya kamahal like Estee Lauder or SK2 na talagang manghinayang kayo pag hindi siya nag-workout sa inyo. But this one, you could just gift it to a friend pag hindi siya nag-workout sa inyo. And you guys don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that concludes our video. If you guys like this video, again, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share nyo na rin to sa mga family and friends nyo. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!